Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by my least favorite season, winter. Yes, snow is beautiful to look at as long as you don't have to leave the house, as long as you don't have to drive in it. Just the whole bundling up and having to shovel and salt and then drive on the highway with others in Chicagoland. It's not for me. Even though I was born and raised here and born in December, mind you, it's just not for me. Look at me just prattling on. The fragrance oil I'm using for this soap is called Alpine Frost. I used this pearl white mica in the last soap and I'm just not happy with the brightness of it. So like before, I'm just adding a little bit of titanium dioxide. I'm going to go ahead and pour the white into the mold. I do need it to set up quite a bit in order to hold up the embeds. Would you look at these snow-covered canes? You know I'm going to show you how I made them. And now to place the colorful little snowy neighborhood into the mold. Looking back at this, I wish I would have put in some white shredded soap so that it kind of looks like it's snowing. Maybe next time. Could it be? Time to see what's on my embed tray. Well, look at that. It's going to be a little neighborhood to match the inside of the soap. And I made these by simply slicing the canes. You know I'm not going to leave this little neighborhood plain. I'm going to pipe on some white soap to hopefully make it look like snow. It was still missing something, and so I went and looked in my stash and I found this snowflake sparkle mica. I'll sprinkle a little bit on to make it look like glistening snow. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot is delightful. 2 days later, let's cut this soap. It's a missing house on one side, but it's here on the other. I really love this soap. That's so pretty. I really love the way this soap came out. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, I wish I would have put some shredded soap in there to kind of make it look like it was snowing, but then again, it might have been too busy. Well, this soap was a lot of fun to make, and I'm looking forward to sharing the other soaps that I had a lot of fun making as well. So I hope that you will come back and join me for those. But that does it for today. As always and forever, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.